want to go the way we came again, but we're going to go a different route. Like here?
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
And you got good handholds there too. So if you can move your right foot over.
Oh!
Here you go, baby.
That is so scary.
You're up there now.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Rotation is sketchy. You want to try and get over?
Yup.
We're up.
Yes, Jacob.
Yeah. Nice.
Woo! Guys,
I
we're
got
just
it.
chilling up here. Look at this view.
Oh, we'll get the robes.
Absolutely beautiful.